Hey, photography enthusiasts! Welcome back to my channel. Get ready to embark on a lens-tastic journey with the latest and greatest camera lenses on the market. Whether you're a seasoned professional or just starting your visual storytelling adventure, we've got something for everyone. Let's dive into the world of lens wonders.
Number 5.
Tired of the same old boring shots? Craving that cinematic look on your MFT, APS-C camera? Then say hello to the SIRUI 24mm Anamorphic, your gateway to a world of widescreen wonder. This little powerhouse squeezes the frame for a stunning 2.4:1 aspect ratio, the same as those epic Hollywood movies. Imagine capturing expansive landscapes, dreamy cityscapes, or captivating portraits with that signature anamorphic magic. But it's not just about the aspect ratio. The SIRUI 24mm also boasts a fast f/2.8 aperture, letting you paint with light in any situation. Shoot stunning sunrises, capture intimate candlelit moments, or blur the background for beautiful bokeh, all with incredible sharpness and clarity. And don't forget those irresistible blue streaks and oval bokeh. These subtle imperfections add a touch of character and vintage charm to your footage, making your videos stand out from the crowd. Whether you're a seasoned filmmaker or just starting out, the SIRUI 24mm Anamorphic is the perfect tool to unleash your inner storyteller and capture the world in a whole new way.
Number 4.
Craving shots that suck you into the scene? Meet the VILTROX 13mm f/1.4, your passport to the world's breathtaking beauty. This ultra-wide beast throws open the horizon, letting you capture epic landscapes that stretch forever. But it's not just about scenery. Get up close and personal with the f/1.4 aperture. This light-swallowing monster lets you paint with shadows and blur backgrounds for those dreamy portrait effects. Feeling spontaneous? Take your vlog game to the next level. The silent STM motor keeps focus smooth and precise, even when life throws you curveballs. Capture candid moments, street stories, and everything in between without a miss. The VILTROX 13mm f/1.4 is more than just a lens. It's an invitation to explore without limits. Embrace the wanderlust, tell your story in every frame. So ditch the zoom fatigue and step into the wide. The VILTROX 13mm f/1.4 is waiting to take you on an adventure.
Number 3.
Craving lightning speed and pixel-perfect focus? Ditch the sluggish zooms and say hello to the Samyang 12mm f/2.0 AF, the autofocus ace for Sony E-mount shooters. This ultra-wide beast captures the world in one breathtaking sweep, but unlike others, it does it with unwavering precision. Its blazing fast autofocus locks onto your subject in an instant, even when things are moving in a blur. Say goodbye to missed moments and hello to razor-sharp clarity, every time. And then there's the f/2.0 aperture. This low-light champion lets you paint with shadows, blurring backgrounds into silky smooth bokeh. Elevate your portraits, add drama to landscapes, and capture the magic of twilight without breaking a sweat. The Samyang 12mm f/2.0 AF isn't just about specs, it's about freedom. Freedom to move, to shoot, to create without limitations. Capture the decisive moment, the fleeting expression, the unexpected twist in the story, all with confidence and control. So ditch the excuses and embrace the ace.
Number 2.
Craving the thrill of the untouchable? Yearning to capture the heart-stopping action from miles away? The Tamron 150-500mm beckons, a telephoto titan ready to bridge the gap between you and the extraordinary. This versatile beast zooms like a rocket, transforming majestic mountains into towering giants, shy wildlife into intimate portraits, and fleeting sporting moments into timeless victories. Bring the faraway near, zoom past the crowds, and witness the world unfold before your lens. But power without control is chaos. Fear not, for the Tamron 150-500mm boasts a built-in stabilization fortress, keeping your shots steady even at the telephoto edge. No more shaky zooms, no more missed moments. Capture the pin-sharp details, the fleeting expressions, the raw emotion, all with unwavering precision. And let's not forget the optical prowess. Unleash the Tamron 150-500mm. Capture the faraway, conquer boundaries, and make the distant intimately yours. It's not just a lens, it's an adventure.
Number 1.
Crave adventure beyond the beaten path? Where others flinch, the Rokinon 14mm f/2.8 laughs in the face of the elements. This weatherproof warrior is your shield against rain, sand, and dust, letting you conquer any environment and capture the epic. Its ultra-wide gaze devours expansive landscapes, stretching mountains to infinity and drawing you into the heart of the storm. Capture the raw beauty of nature, from crashing waves to windswept plains, without fear of the elements. But darkness holds no fear either. The fast f2.8 aperture swallows light like a champ, letting you paint with twilight and moonlight. Capture the magic of starry skies, the drama of city lights, or the raw emotion of a campfire under the open sky. And let's not forget precision. Multi-coated glass and sharp optics deliver breathtaking clarity in every shot. No fog, no distortion, just pure, unadulterated beauty, no matter what the weather throws your way. The Rokinon 14mm f2.8 is more than a lens, it's a passport to adventure. It's the whisper of untamed beauty, the call of the unknown, the promise of stunning stories waiting to be told. So ditch the excuses, embrace the warrior. The Rokinon 14mm f2.8 awaits, your key to unlock the world's most epic, weather-defying adventures.